Hello everybody, back with Brandon. On my other burping video, a lot of people said they wanted me to do another burping video. And this time I won't be at my dad's with my stepbrother laughing, but this time I'll be doing it at hell. I mean hell. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna make the loudest one will be at the final finale. Okay, this is gonna be the final finale.